You want a treat? Your treats are in here. Your treats are in here. Come on. Come get one. You don't want to come in here just because of the vacuum? Percy. Come on, come get a treat. Come on. Come on, come get a treat. What, this is stopping you? Come on, treats are right here. All right, let me go I'll put it back. I'll put the vacuum back. It's gotta go away. I'll put it away. I'm done vacuuming since you don't want no treats. Just because of vacuum, I'll put it away. Look, it's going away. I see your head. It's going away, man. Look. See? I put it away. See? See, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. You want a treat now? Yeah? You want a treat now? Yeah? Come on. Let's go get one. Let's go get one. I'm done. I'm done vacuuming. I just wanted to show everybody how scared you are. Good boy. He's not scared. He's just... he just likes playing. Come on.